All right, we can go.
I'll take that.
Mr. S said for me to hold on to
Go
it.
get your car.
That rock? That rock's about to become the key to whether or not I live to enjoy my newfound independence.
What the hell are you doing here?
You're not the only one who makes money off of dumb rich white people.
You know what? One day you're gonna pick the wrong pocket, sis.
Okay, whatever.
Dumbass kid.
Tell your people to call me if it is about that chicken. The most wanted in Gotham. All your diamonds is missing.
I really like your earrings.
This a suicide mission. You need to make a
There's a piece! There's a piece!
That little girl took my watch!
Where the fuck's the diamond? I just fucking had it.
In the storytelling business, this dummy swallowing that diamond is called a complication.